Good morning, everyone. I hope you guys had a great weekend. I want to talk about CYN. This was the one I made a video on my big watch list I made, and what an amazing move we had up here. Look at this from here to the lows here. Look at percentages. I definitely would take this gain. We moved up over 189%. So the reason I just want to show you guys is so you guys don't have to rely on me. Get your chart to look like this so you can see these movers. The reason why CYN was much better than most of the pennies that have dumped is because one, we had time distance away from this EMA 5. When you see multiple candles away from this EMA 5, I usually look around with 5 to 6, and then you had this big overreaction move going towards this green band. And so this is just an amazing opportunity. And when I was looking at my screener, what I like to do is, guys, I have my screeners here. I have a section called penny stocks. Very easy to do. Put price 0 to 5 and RSI 0 to 30. And I'll look at some of these and I'll see the big runners happening. Obviously, oh, and also I have a million volumes, so that's why nothing's going to show up except for lit. But this one showed up on my screen, and I was like, man, this is amazing buy opportunity, right? So the big thing to take away is price will hit your EMAs, and that's why I love when price makes overreaction moves, because when price makes these big overreaction moves, what happens is, just coming to this EMA 5 is presenting a 390% gain. I don't think it will hit it right away, but I think after this candle here, it gets that dead cat bounce. I mean, we went up all the way to a buck, which is a very, very, very nice gain here. Very, I mean, you can't complain on that. So, and then a lot of thing is too, if you do not have Weeble, you need to have Weeble when you trade pennies. These big moves happen, early in the morning. Like this could have been the 4:15. At 4:15, it pumped a lot, and then we're coming up into this 7 o'clock. So, most brokers can trade at 7. I would definitely recommend getting Weeble for that. But yeah, this was absolutely awesome. Now, would I chase it here? Absolutely not. I know this is what really gets a lot of people bag holding is they see price going up. They're like, oh man, I have FOMO. I'm missing it. And they end up bag holding really big because these pumps, just don't happen, and they don't, or they don't be sustained. These are pennies. They're crap stocks. Now we're just trying to play the pumps and dumps. So this is one of my most favorite setups here. If you guys ever see these kind of setups, these are the setups I love to take. Just count the EMA 5 time distance here. You can see price will come back. Anything that don't touch it in 7 daily candles this long. We had this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 daily candles not touching it, and this massive move up pre-market just for that bump. And do keep in mind, before the market opens, as I'm making this video, take the profits pre-market. You're going to thank yourself a lot of the times. What happens most of the time is you get this massive spike up, the regular markets comes in, a lot of people start selling right there at that 9:30, and all throughout the day you can see a sell-off. So don't let your gains turn negative. And if you're watching this video and you're not in the trade, I would just look for another setup. I have plenty of setups that I'm releasing. I'm going to probably make lots of YouTube videos on potential setups, but this is a recap of one of my most favorite setups. I posted this in the Discord right here. Looking at my watch was for the EMA 5 touches, due with ATR 4 hits. Check out CYN. This thing was absolutely amazing. Pumped over 100% from the lows. You just can't. It's just a nice. And these are the plays that I don't mind buying the dips because we know price will revert to the mean. We're not chasing. So if you could find a way to get in early, those are the best opportunities. When you start getting up here and you're playing these pumps when they touch the upper band, this is where I look to short the stocks for that reversion to the mean. And as you can see, we went from $5 all the way to 4. We went from $8, and then we just, dumped all the way from there. So we're just trying to take our piece of the pie and then move on. But all throughout price history, this thing has been downtrending, and we try to get some of these uptrends that happen. We had this big, nice uptrend. We come back to this EMA 50, which is a nice crucial level where I love the retest type pattern. From here, this 50 all the way up here was a nice 24% gain. So it was a nice trade. If you guys weren't in it, I'll try to find some more stocks for you guys. If you guys do want to join the premium Discord, do click the link down below in YouTube comments below and in the description. It'll have a link that says join the premium Discord for my alerts system. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. To become a member, all you have to do is hit day trade alerts, and that will give you access to all my strategies, swing trades, and day trades for only 12 bucks a month. And if you do not make money and if you're not profitable, you can cancel anytime. It's totally fine. But I promise you, my day trade strategy is absolutely my favorite. I have a strategy that can make you passive income every day and potentially doubling your account every month with an over 90% win ratio. That is facts with proof. I think you guys are going to love this strategy. My swing trades are really nice too. You can look at my swing trade alerts. They look like something like this. But basically, with swing trade alerts, it's something like this where you could hold for a couple days. You might have to hold for a week or two. And they're just more patient plays. You just gotta take your. But this was an amazing play right here. So congrats who saw this. Y'all saw my system where we're at this green band. We had the time distance from the EMA5. Everything just made sense for this. And then also we had a K on the KDJ stochastic oscillator at 3.50, which is the range that I love. So yeah, really nice play. I really like this. Had massive, it had this massive volume, with the shorts coming in here, and they all, started covering, especially with this Christmas rally coming in. Everything is, I'm definitely more bullish coming into January. So, hope you guys like this video. If you guys do subscribe, do it on your computer. It will save you on the iOS fee. Like I said, if you hit server shop here, you can view my memberships. But for the Day and Swing Trading Plus membership, 12 bucks a month if you subscribe on your computer. It won't charge you an iOS fee. If you do have an Android, you will have to do it on your computer, and because it won't let you do it through the app. But once you subscribe on your computer or use your phone's browser like Google or Safari, then you can use the Discord just fine. I think you guys are gonna like it. It's a really tight niche community. I think we found ways to really look for these oversold type patterns and look for these massive reversals like CYN. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Give this video a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.